Ladies and gents, welcome back. Another beautiful day out here, and Damon and I went on a little morning adventure. It's always sad to see motorcycle shops go out of business, but it's also a good opportunity to buy equipment. So we went over to see what we could get. Unfortunately, the thing that I wanted, being the tire machine, was already gone, but we got some good stuff. So let's check it out. So probably the coolest thing that we got is the Sandblaster, because that was free, and it's hard to turn down free. But we got a ATV tire bead breaker thing that's pretty cool. Fuel bottle with a stand, which I don't have a stand, I do have a fuel bottle. Little vacuum for doing brakes, which I have one of those, but mine is not as nice as that one. And I've only ever seen these things online. This is one of those, you put air in it and then blow a tire on the bead dealios. So I don't know, I guess we'll play with that. So yeah, big time Scorsese's on that stuff. So back on the Bull Taco here, and I didn't get to show in my last video, and I was mad about it, the beautiful electrical stuff, but we had to take the tank off anyways to wire in the kill switch. And yesterday I must have been brain farting big time. I don't know what I was thinking, why I couldn't figure out how a simple kill switch worked, but there's two wires that come out of the kill switch, and you have to wire one of them to ground and then one of them to the coil to actually kill it, make the complete circuit. And for some reason in my brain I was like, oh, we'll put the two together. Makes no sense. I don't know what I was thinking. Must not have had enough coffee. Alright guys, we're getting real custom as usual. So this old triple clamp setup I actually got, if you guys remember, long-term subscribers, at the Rabers auction. It was actually just left over and Bob gave me a bunch of crap. But with this front end setup, we didn't have caps for the top, and I just had U-bolts in there, just looking all crusty. But these guys right here seem to fit pretty darn close. Oh my goodness. And look how nice it cleaned up. So yeah, kind of saving the day there, because I wasn't wanting to have some machined or whatever, and I didn't, can't be using U-bolts. Right on. Alright guys, back to making some progress here, and we pulled off the caps off that old front end and trying to do a little drilling and making some room so they'll work. They're really, really close, and Damon brought over a whole smorgasbord of drill bits, so we're definitely gonna have the right size. We're just gotta find it. Yeah, gonna make this work. Only a couple little things left, and we're just gonna knock them out one by one. Man, these clamps turned out so good. We had to do a little bit of drilling to go to the next size up, and then I ended up cleaning them up and powder coating them and bolting them up, and boy howdy do they look good. Alright guys, we just got done running her for longer than 5 seconds, and runs pretty darn good. Pretty happy with that. So we're really, really close. What else do we got to do here, Damon?
We're going to get the fuel line sorted out.
I forgot about that.
I'll pick up a tea tonight on my way home.
Fuel line.
And the side cover. Side cover grommet.
Yeah, we got the stuff to do that. We just got to put it on.
We just have to put it on there.
And then I messed up the grips. I got one of them on really well, but this metal tube, honestly, I didn't look at it too close and play with it before I threw the grip on. And yeah, we had some issues, but I feel like now we got it snapping back and working properly. We had to do a little grinding and shaving and cleaning, but it's working. So
it's really close to being done.
Yeah. I know in the last video I said maybe 1 or 2 more times, so it looks like it's going to be 2, but
it'll be ready tomorrow.
Next video after this one, Bull Taco's going to be done. And we have a ton of other cool projects coming in. So as always, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, there's flies everywhere, they're killing me. But if you're new, please subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you tomorrow on the next one.